Lindenwood Library has created dozens of online research guides to assist you. These guides provide tips on finding books and articles, finding reliable websites such as government and professional organizations, and citation styles. Having all this information in one place makes your research process much easier. Depending on your needs, these guides can vary in type, from broader subject guides to course-specific or even department-specific. If you're uncertain if a guide exists for your topic, you can browse our guides online using the Research Help menu on the library homepage. If one doesn't exist yet, ask your professor to contact a librarian about making one. On the Research Guides landing page, all guides are listed alphabetically, but they can also be sorted by subject or type. For this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Creative Writing Guide. This subject guide contains useful information about locating books, literary journals and literary journal production, web resources, and organizations. Use the tab navigation at the top to move between pages. Other guides might also include tips on search terms, suggestions for videos or documentaries, as well as database suggestions for getting started on your research. If you are certain about whether a resource on this guide is appropriate for your assignment, always ask your professor. If you need additional help with your research, contact a librarian by phone, email, or schedule an appointment using the online form. Other library videos are available on the library YouTube channel to assist you with your research.